Hello dear friends, today I'd like to show you a great idea of how to make a cool device for camping. The idea is simple, easy to make and quite useful, so I hope you will like it. So to make it, we will need a metal profile. I will use 20 by 20 millimeters. Previously I attached a corner on the label of 13 centimeters to it. Next I put a label, later cut it off with a circular saw and thus got this kind of blank. Now, retreating from the edge, we measure 10 centimeters. From this label we measure 4.5 centimeters and then 10.5. We find the center and drill a hole. Next, on the opposite side of the label, in the middle, we drill holes of a larger diameter. Now we take the tap, insert it into the holder, and in these two holes, which are smaller in diameter, cut the screw thread. At the end, we take a bolt with a screw nut, insert it into the hole and weld only the screw nut. Next, we measure 10 centimeters from the new profile, then cut and weld as follows. So guys, here's what we got. As you can see, here I welded the shim in order to make it easier to unscrew and tighten the bolt. Now we drive a metal pin into the ground. And we plant our invention on it. We make a fire from below. With this bolt, as you might have guessed, we can adjust the desired height to the flame. As you can observe, I shortened the bolt and made a small chamfer. Now we fasten it to the lower position. Now we take the pen, insert, and we got it firmly held here. Again, we unscrew the bolt, screw it to the upper position. If you drill more holes in advance, you will get this a universal holder. Well, that's all for today. Thank you all very much for your attention. If you liked this video, be sure to rate it, subscribe to the channel. Good day to all. Be healthy. Bye-bye.